Hi, this topic is related to short circuit. What is short circuit? For the definition, short circuit is simply a load resistant connection between the power source. That means the resistance is very low. This results in excess current flows in the power source. It will cause very high current. To understand what is short circuit, we have to know about the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is any circuit that the current is directly proportional to the voltage and inverse proportional to the resistance. That means that if the voltage is increased, current also increase. Voltage decrease, current also decrease. This is called directly proportional. How about the relationship between resistance and current? Assume the voltage is fixed. If the current is increased, the resistance will decrease. On the contrast, if the current is decreased, then the resistance will be increased. This is called inverse proportional. There is a very important formula in Ohm's law. This is V equal to I times R. Some electrical books state that E equal to I times R. Actually, it's the same. V represented the voltage, I represented the current, and R represented the resistance. This basic formula is very important in electricity because we always need to calculate the current I. From the formula, we can see that V equal to I times R. Then I equal to V over R, right? Is it correct? We look at this simple circuit. Assume the voltage is 10 volt. Resistor is 5 ohm. So the current we know that is equal to V over R equal to 10 over 5 equal to 2 amp. The current is 2 amp. How about if a resistor change to 4 ohm? If the resistor change to 4 ohm, then the current equal to V over R equal to 10 over 4 equal to 2.5 amp. The current is increased. That means if the resistance is decreased, the current will be increased. Furthermore, the resistor is 2 ohm. Then the current will be 10 over 2 equal to 5 amp. The current is even higher. If the resistor change to 1 ohm, then the current will be 10 over 1 equal to 10 amp. Even more higher. How about if change to 0 ohm? If this is 0 ohm, that means no resistor here. Totally 0, right? Like this circuit, 0 ohm. What will happen if 0 ohm? It is called a short circuit. We look at the current. Voltage is fixed in 10 volt and the resistor is 0 ohm. What will happen? 10 divided by 0 equal to what? Unlimited. That means the current is very, very high. Then what will happen? It will cause the power source to spoil. And also, between the wires will be very, very hot. It will cause the fire. That's why sometimes you heard from the news, some house cause fire disaster. It could be caused by short circuit of the electrical wires. We know that the electrical wire usually have 2 wires inside. One is live wire, one is neutral wire. When you connect to the appliance should have a resistor. Then should have a value of how many ohm? Let's say 10 ohm here. But the wire may be too old, the insulation is bad, or sometimes the wires are loose in the connection plug. It will cause the live wire and the neutral wire to short together. Let's say it's like that. This is the circuit of a short circuit. This is the live wire and the neutral wire. Short together means never pass through the appliance. The appliance supposed to have a resistor here. Because here is a lot of current pass through here. No currents pass through to the appliance. Instead, all the current, very high current, pass through here, from here to here. Then this one is called short circuit. You will see that now is let's say this one is 10 volt. This is 0 ohm, 10 over 0. The current will be unlimited, very, very high. So it will cause the power source to spoil and also the wire to burn, cause the fire. This is the reason to cause the fire disaster. If you study electrical or electronic, make sure that this formula is very important. This is a basic formula. Later on, I will come out more video about the Ohm's law with this formula. This is the lesson for today. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.